Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to talk about a cryptocurrency that I have that is currently up $2,000. Well, in my portfolio, I'm up $2,000. And this is a crypto that I talked about several months ago that I talked about how I accidentally bought way more shares of this crypto than I wanted to, a lot more, right? So I did a video talking about, should I keep it or should I sell? At the time, should I sell it, right? And I ended up keeping this cryptocurrency, didn't touch it, and now it's making money right now. All right, so the crypto that I'm talking about is Cardano ADA, right? I just saw a video last night actually, and the guy name is George Perez, right? I'm a subscriber on his channel, and I'm a part of his, I think I'm still part of his Patreon, but he just did a video, you can check it out, where he was talking about how he feels that Cardano could easily, 3 times, 5 times, or even go up in the next few years 25 times, which means, whatever you invested, you can earn up to 25 times what you put in, right? He's not guaranteeing nothing, but he's saying that's his outlook potential for this crypto. But he feels, he talked about it in the video, that this could definitely 3x to 5x by the end of this year, right? And so when I watched the video, I'm like, well, let me go into my account and check, let me just see. It's been a while since I looked at my account, and sure enough, Cardano is at, as I'm making this video, $2.90 per crypto, and I bought it, I believe, at $1.37, right? So now you do the math, you figure it out, right? And so it's up right now $2,000. So if I sold this, I would have made a nice little profit, but I'm probably gonna hold on to this for a while. But I'm super excited, seeing it go up like that. I'm optimistic about this, so hopefully it works out in the long run. So super excited about Cardano. So let me know, right? Let me know. I want your opinion, right? YouTube. Should I say it right now? Should I? Or should I keep it for a while? Right? I think I'm leaning towards keeping it for a while, but I mean, this is like, I'm up 2 G's. I'm up 2 G's right now. All right. So yeah, share your opinion and let me know any other crypto currencies that you messing with that you feel got some potential, and I will of course keep updating, what I'm saying, this cryptocurrency game. It is a crazy game, right? It's crazy, but I'm in it. All right, so comment below, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, real quick, if you want to know where I got where I buy my crypto from and where I actually bought Cardano, I bought it from Binance.us. And if you want to create an account and you want to start with Cardano, check the link out in the description. Just look for it. It's somewhere down there. It'll say crypto, Binance, whatever. Sign up and get started, and let me know actually if you bought some Cardano. All right. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.